Hi, this is Ruben from Legend Brands. Today we're going to show you how to de-winterize your cleaning tools and your solution hoses. If you're doing this, this will be the last step of the de-winterization process after you've already de-winterized the truck mount unit itself and the chemical metering system. If you haven't done that, you can go back and watch those videos. There's a link to the playlist up here on YouTube or down in the description on Facebook. I've got Brendan Kimmel with me here today. He's going to tell me what we need to do this and how it's done.
Well, all you need is a de-winterized truck mount where there is no more antifreeze in the system at all, and we have fresh clean water coming to our solution outlets. Connect up our solution hose to that outlet. Now if this hose itself has been winterized and it's full of antifreeze, then our first step would be to put that 1/4" fitting in here to open up the hose and then purge it of its glycol. Once the water runs clear, the hose is de-winterized, then I can go straight in to my cleaning tool. Connect up. Now you have clean water all the way to the tool, and then we're going to take our bucket and stick the tool's spray jets in there. With the truck mount running, you know, this could be on idle speed or low speed. Then we'll squeeze the trigger, sending clean water from the truck mount through the hose, ultimately through the tool. When we go from colored to clear, then the tool is fully winterized. Let off the trigger. Now we're ready to clean carpet.
That's it. Short, quick, easy, love it. You're ready to get back out there and make some money carpet cleaning. When it comes to de-winterizing, we've done this on the Everest 870. This process is the same across all the Legend Brands truck mounts. And don't forget, you can reuse that antifreeze you used to winterize this unit again. And that's it. If this series was helpful to you, please hit that like button. That actually really makes a difference. Subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and wherever you are, stay clean. All right, we'll see you later.